In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over an air duster from the company Rodex, I think's how you would say that. And what this is like a air cleaner. So if you're doing like, maybe you're working on a computer, you just need to blow it off, or maybe even blowing up, say like a swimming ring or something like that, cleaning out your car, kind of blowing out around your window sills or something like that. This is something I recommend for everybody. You can kind of see on the side here, it can use as a vacuum bag. So this thing, not only does it suck, but it also blows. And then you got a swimming ring, an inflatable air mattress, a vacuum air mattress, so you can pull air out. You can clean your house, your car, computers, maintenance. You know what? Enough about that. Let's just go ahead and open this thing up and let me show you what you get with it. So right away, you got attachments right here when they give you a good little travel bag for this thing. Wow, that's actually a bigger thing. It kind of looks like a hairdryer, everybody. Looking over it, it looks like a hairdryer. USB-C cable for charging. A little set of instructions. Does it say how much power is on this thing? Accessories you get with it is an air duster, a Type-C cable, blow nozzle, brush nozzle, air bed blow nozzle, air bed exhaust nozzle, swimming ring blow nozzles. Wow, what a bunch of stuff. And a little bag. ABS material, charging time's 2 hours. Working time on third gear is 15 minutes. You know, I'm always in third gear, it seems like. Battery capacity is 2,000 milliamps. That's pretty much it. It kind of goes over some instructions on how to use it, but you know what? It's a blower. We don't need to know too much about it. This is the one I use the most for cleaning up. Say if I want to clean up, see how there's dust right there? I put it on there like that. And then to turn this thing on, you get a indicator light, battery indicator light there, a little green light there. So there's 1, 2, 3. Wow, that's impressive. Holy crap, I'm gonna blow everything out of here. Look at that. This is where I use it the most when I just want to clean up my office area, say like a keyboard or something like that. Oh, you can cycle through, but to turn it on and off, it's right there. Pretty simple on that. So there's all of the blow things right there. So if you want to blow things up, I like how it just locks on like that. There's the pull ring or something like that. You can see that right there. And this is just for like cleaning or something. So then you're wondering, how does it vacuum? So this locks in here like this. Check that out. Now, it's a vacuum. How awesome is that? This thing is so cool. So if I want to I don't think any of these will fit on there. So if I'm going to suck the air, say out of an air mattress or something like that, I can do that right there. That's really cool. I guess don't use it as a vacuum cleaner, and it looks like this piece goes on there like that. Oh, it has a light on it. I didn't even notice the light. I'm going to be using this a lot for cleaning out my car, cleaning up my keyboard, or I open my PC from every now and then and I clean those things up. This is one of the cooler ones I've seen so far. I like the vacuum feature on this. So to charge this thing, you're just going to plug the USB-C right in there like that. Very handy on that. I love everything that's going USB-C. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Rodex vacuum and blower. How about that? Not only does it suck, but it also blows. See y'all in the next video.